This is Luis with your 1 Minute Insight. Today I want to talk about having the right low-code, zero-code platform and having the right team with the right clients and what it can do. So a few years ago, we partnered up with a client, and they had a lofty goal. They had a lot of business processes they wanted to improve. So we went in, and the one thing we made clear from the very beginning on both sides, us as a partner and them as a client, was we had to be on site. That was key. So through that, we found the right opportunities. We would meet with the client, the business unit, understand what they're trying to accomplish, what are they currently doing, what would they like to do, and through that, we developed solutions. In that year, we developed 18 web apps with workflow, all using a low-code platform. So again, the right tool set, the right low-code, zero-code platform, the right team, the right client, with the right mindset, and the goals will be accomplished.